Bermuda Triangle. Myths, mysteries, and hypotheses. Mysterious introduction. The Bermuda Triangle, a large area in the Atlantic Ocean, surrounded by Miami, Florida, USA, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and the island of Bermuda. It is known as the graveyard of many ships and planes, where a series of disappearances have occurred without warning. The Bermuda Triangle is mentioned as a dangerous land, where navigational devices suddenly become disturbed when disturbed, causing signal loss. Many ships have disappeared without trace, and planes have negotiated their last fearful sentences before disappearing into nothingness. Legends about this area have existed for centuries. Ever since Columbus passed through this area and recorded strange fire signs and disturbed compasses, the Bermuda Triangle has become the subject of mysterious stories. Are these just normal accidents or an unsolved mystery? Let's dive deeper into the next chapters. The history of mysterious disappearances. Disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle are not just accidents, but also contain many mysterious elements, far beyond the usual explanation. Here are some notable disappearances that have given rise to strange theories about this area. 1. Christopher Columbus's first record, 1492. The first records of anomalies in this sea area come from the explorer Christopher Columbus in 1492. He described his compass suddenly not working properly, strange lights appearing in the sky, and the sea suddenly becoming mysteriously rough. Was Columbus one of the first to experience these unexplained phenomena in this sea area? 2. USS Cyclops, 1918. One of the most famous disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle is the USS Cyclops, a U.S. Navy ship. In March 1918, the ship left Barbados carrying more than 300 sailors and a cargo of manganese, for Baltimore. However, it never reached its final destination. No distress signal was sent, and no wreckage was ever found. It is one of the most controversial disappearances in U.S. Navy history. 3. Flight 19, 1945. Flight 19 is one of the most controversial disappearances. On December 5, 1945, 5 U.S. Navy bombers were on a routine training mission from their base in Florida. Upon reaching the Bermuda Triangle, the pilots reported that their compasses were disturbed and they became disoriented. Flight Commander Lieutenant Charles Taylor was recorded as saying, "We didn't know where we were, everything was wrong. The sea didn't look like it did." Eventually, all 5 planes disappeared without a trace. Even a rescue plane sent to search for them crashed and mysteriously disappeared. 4. SS Marine Sulphur Queen, 1963. In 1963, the 500-foot-long oil tanker SS Marine Sulphur Queen with 39 crew members suddenly disappeared while passing through the Bermuda Triangle. Small pieces of the ship were later found, but the cause of the disappearance remains a mystery with no satisfactory explanation. 5. Flight 5719, 1991. A lesser-known disappearance occurred in 1991 when a private plane with flight number 5719 flew over the area and suddenly disappeared from radar. There was no distress signal, no sign of mechanical failure, and no wreckage was found. This incident once again reinforced the belief of many that some mysterious force was operating in this area. These disappearances have not only raised fears, but also prompted researchers, scientists, and conspiracy theorists to search for answers. Is this just a coincidence, or is there something beyond human understanding? Let's explore more in the following chapters. Scientific hypotheses. To explain the mysterious disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle, many scientists have put forward hypotheses based on natural phenomena and physical laws. 1. Disturbance of the Earth's magnetic field. Some researchers believe that the Bermuda Triangle is a place with an unusual magnetic field, affecting the navigation systems of ships and planes. Sudden changes in the magnetic field can disrupt compasses and GPS, causing pilots and sailors to lose their bearings. 2. Rogue waves. Rogue waves are abnormally high waves that can reach 30 meters. Scientists believe that these waves can sink ships in minutes without leaving a trace. 3. Methane gas phenomenon. Another hypothesis suggests that there are pockets of methane gas on the ocean floor. When releasing a large amount of this gas, It can reduce the density of the seawater, causing ships to lose buoyancy and sink immediately. 4. Impact of severe weather. The Bermuda Triangle is located in an area prone to severe storms and tornadoes. Strong storms can create eddies, causing ships to drift and planes to lose control. 5. Strong ocean currents. The Gulf Stream flows through this area at high speeds, which can quickly sweep away any debris from ships or planes, causing them to disappear without a trace. These scientific theories help explain some of the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle, but there are still many things that cannot be fully explained. Are there other factors besides science that are affecting this area? Supernatural hypotheses. In addition to scientific hypotheses, many people believe that there are supernatural forces or mysterious phenomena taking place in the Bermuda Triangle. These theories, although unproven, always attract the attention of researchers and mystery enthusiasts. 1. Alien intervention. One of the most popular theories is that the Bermuda Triangle is a place where aliens conduct experiments on Earth. Believers of this theory believe that ships and planes are abducted by extraterrestrial beings to study humans and our technology. Some witnesses have also claimed to have seen strange lights in the sky in this area, fueling speculation about the existence of UFOs. 2. A portal to another world. Some paranormal researchers believe that the Bermuda Triangle could be a portal through space or time, where vehicles enter and are sucked into another dimension. This could explain why no missing ships or planes have been found. Accounts of time loss, where pilots or sailors report feeling that time is passing abnormally fast or slow, lend support to this theory. 3. The legendary Atlantis. Some archaeologists and mystics believe that the Bermuda Triangle may be home to the remains of the ancient Atlantis Empire. According to legend, Atlantis was an advanced civilization with technology far beyond their time. Some theories suggest that powerful energy devices from Atlantis are still active at the bottom of the sea, causing magnetic disturbances and sinking passing ships. For ghosts and wandering souls. Many people believe that mysterious disappearances are caused by spirits or supernatural entities. Believers of this theory believe that the souls of victims have been trapped in the Bermuda Triangle, and they continue to drag new ships and planes to the bottom of the ocean to join their world. Stories of ghost ships, such as the Mary Celeste, drifting without a pilot, add to the mystery of this theory. 5. Paranormal energy and spiritual phenomena. Some researchers of energy and spirituality believe that the Bermuda Triangle is one of the most powerful energy points on Earth, similar to other mysterious places, such as the Egyptian pyramids or Stonehenge. These energy fields can affect electronic devices, cause hallucinations, or even create time loops. Although these supernatural theories have not been scientifically proven, they are still an indispensable part of the debate about the Bermuda Triangle. This mystery may be beyond the current understanding of mankind, and will remain one of the unanswered questions for a long time. Conclusion: reality or myth? After decades of research, the Bermuda Triangle remains one of the greatest mysteries of mankind. Strange disappearances, inexplicable phenomena, and the emergence of countless hypotheses have turned this area into a living legend in the minds of people. 1. Fact or exaggeration? Some experts believe that the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle may be just an exaggeration by the media and writers pursuing mystical theories. In fact, statistically speaking, the number of ships and planes that have gone missing in this area is not higher than in other seas around the world. Weather fluctuations, strong ocean currents, and harsh maritime conditions may be the real causes of mysterious accidents. However, reports of unusual magnetic phenomena, time distortions, and strange lights in the sky are still difficult to explain with current science. We may not have enough technology to fully understand what is happening in this area. 2. Bermuda Triangle in popular culture. Regardless of its reality, the Bermuda Triangle has become an indispensable symbol in popular culture. It appears in books, movies, science fiction documentaries, and even in video games. Its appeal lies in the fact that no single explanation can satisfy all the questions, making people endlessly curious and speculating. Many movies and books have exploited thrilling theories such as aliens, time portals, or supernatural forces, making the Bermuda Triangle one of the most famous mysteries in modern history. 3. The future of Bermuda Triangle research. Technology is constantly evolving, and with advances in marine science, satellite surveillance, and artificial intelligence, perhaps one day we will be able to fully explain what is happening in the Bermuda Triangle. Scientists continue to monitor the area, using magnetic field measurements, atmospheric analysis, and studying changes in the seafloor geology to find answers. However, until definitive evidence emerges, the Bermuda Triangle will remain a fascinating mystery, where the line between science and the paranormal remains blurred. It will continue to be the subject of stories, a source of inspiration for explorers, and a challenge for curious minds. 4. Conclusion. The Bermuda Triangle may not be a supernatural phenomenon or an unexplainable mystery. However, the events that occurred here have contributed to creating one of the most fascinating mysteries in human history. Whether it is due to nature, the influence of the Earth's magnetic field, or even something beyond our understanding, the Bermuda Triangle will always be a land of fascination and mystery. Will this mystery be completely solved one day? Or will it forever remain one of the untouchable legends? The answer still lies ahead, waiting for future generations to continue their journey of discovery.